Okay, so we're going into overtime here. Do want to show you how this substitution works for the half diminished. So root 3/6 is just to show you how easy this is. All you have to do is play the string shapes for root 3/6 instead of root 3/5. Okay, and over here, if we start on the root, it's going to be root 4 plus 6. It actually looks like a 2/7 chord, like a D7. But don't think of it that way. And it's out of the mode, but when we do the substitution, it'll substitute back into the mode. So let's see how that works. Once again, we're in the key of C, and we're in the C box. We'll get Mr. Capo just so I can make it clear to you. And I want to put him on straight because I know when I watch the videos I don't put them on straight. So this is our C shape C. This is okay. So for the normal D minor, first we have to adjust the D minor. For the normal D minor, we're going to play the relative fourth. We're gonna do a minor string shapes build. Okay, from the fourth. So the fourth of the C is F shaped, right? We all know that. We've got to know that. C shape goes to F shape. C goes to it's E shaped rather. Right? C goes to E. E goes to C. C goes to E. Fourth of C is the E shape. Fifth of the E shape's the C shape. Okay. In that E-shaped F, alright, its relative we're going to start and play the E shape with the minor string shapes. So that E shape's going to start root. Okay, so we're going to start root there. And then we're going to go to the third, which is the C shape. Then we're going to go to the G shape, which is 6th root. We're on F now. Then we're going to go to the third of F, which is A on the D string, on the D shape. Okay, and then, that's not the D string, that's the G string. And the D shape, from the D shape, we're going to go to the A shape. Okay, and we're going to play the 6th there. So what's that going to be? Has to be up here because we got a 5, 6. C is the 5th of F, and D is the 6th of F, the relative minor. Okay, and from that D shape, we're going to go to the A shape 6th again. Okay, right there. Got it right that time. So that's how we use the minor string shapes to build a D minor arpeggio. Okay, to play it fast might be not fun, so we could go over it again one more time. Starting from the E shape, we go root 3 6 root 3, okay, 6 root. Now once I got to here, I could just go into that D minor shape. Okay, so this isn't a class on how I can play that fast, but trust me, that's your D minor arpeggio. I've got charts where I can just play that through, but it's a cage-bound 2 minor arpeggio in the C box. It's cage-bound. So, obviously you can play that 2 minor from your D minor up here. Here's a minor third, major third, perfect fourth, then a warped over minor third, then a major third, then up here, perfect fourth on one string. Now we're going to make an adjustment now. Okay, so now we're going to play these string shapes, these right here, from that F. So we're going to start from the E shape once again, not from that C. We're going to start from the E shape. So we start from the root, okay, of that E-shaped F. We're doing a substitution of an adjusted 2 minor substitution, which is the relative minor of the fourth. Okay, so it's similar to the minor root 3 6. Okay, which is actually 6 root 3. The relative minor A minor is 6 root 3 in the key of C. Okay, but instead of 6 root 3 root 3 6, okay, we're going to do 6 root 4 plus, okay, root 4 plus 6 kind of thing to get it, and watch how it works. So here we start on the E string here. I know this is taking 10 years. We start the root, E goes to the C string shape. We're going to hit that C fourth. So let's look at that C string shape. 3 4 5. Okay, so bottom is normal good old 7 root 2, because we're starting on the E string shape. So it'd be 7 root 2, E goes to C, 3 4 5. But on that C string shape, we're just going to hit the augmented fourth. So here's the fourth, here's the augmented fourth. What color is that note? It's blue, and that's the B right there. So it's really going from F to the B, and then after that is the sixth of that F, E-shaped F. So here is our half diminished chord right there. We'll start it again. E shape would play the root of the substitution major. E goes to C in the circle, right? So we go to the fourth. Here's regular C string shape. We go to the fourth there. Then we're going to go to the G shape there. So we go to the sixth root. So far we got is that starting to sound like a half diminished? Then we go nothing on the D string. Just skip it. And then we go over to the A string again. Is going to have on the open our B, which is the actual B string. So we skip the D string. We got the open B string, and we do the sixth, which is our D minor, and then one more to the E, where we have the root. So that's it. That's how we use the string shapes to make the substitution and make the arpeggio. So these substitutions are important. Okay, and again, we have the string shapes stacked up here. This is the original thing I was targeting for this lesson, which was just following these things up and building them. And this is shape fitting mostly. But here's your substitution. The substitution. And we do this all the time. We do this all the time. When somebody says, play me a C, now play me an E-shaped F, that's a substitution right there, because you're treating that F, you're saying, okay, we can go into almost a key of F, but not a key of F. So if we go to a minor or something like that, yeah, we can give it its own scale, but in pentatonic only. See, that's the way it works. I know it's kind of confusing, but anyway, so that's the gist of today's lesson. All right, and of course, this stuff that we're just doing on the pentatonic here, this is wonderful stuff. Look at that; it's wonderful the way it actually stacks up. You can look at this chart and use it to, we sub the 4/6 root derived from the second minor. It's been a great lesson. It's a great day for everybody, I'm sure, and hope you do some practicing and enjoyed this lesson. I enjoyed giving it to you all. And have a great day and good luck playing. See you next time.